Did you know there's one simple, affordable food you probably already have in your kitchen that can help you rebuild your muscle strength? The pills vintage suppons or true workouts. You should introduce appeal at the network of muscle that comes with age. It's donors you naughty don't and been food or adults every single day. Be here known Tenzu is the natural way to fight back. And it all starts on your plate. So stay with me, because by the end of this video you won't just powerful foodies, you know how to use it correctly to help your muscles become stronger again, just like they used to be. Let's start with a simple proof. According to researchers at the University of Michigan, older adults who don't eat properly can lose 3 to 8% of their muscle mass every decade after 2050. That doesn't just make us weaker. It affects balance, mobility, even our independence. And sadly, many people think it's just part of aging. But I'm here to tell you, it doesn't have to be. Over the years, I've worked with patients who couldn't stand up their own. Just a few weeks later, they were walking confidently again. And you know what made the biggest difference? What they were putting on their plate. Little than 6 pounds of foods that support strong muscles. And we'll start with number 6. A food that's been underestimated for far too long. Number 6. Plain, unsweetened yogurt. Now, think about this. Why some people in the 70s and 80s do what tar, move with confidence, while others to lose strength so quickly? One of the biggest reasons is what they the breaks us. Right there, saying quietly on the shelves is one of the most underrated muscle foods. Plain yogurt. Not the flavored kind, not the one filled with fruit syrup or sweetness. I'm talking about real unsweetened yogurt, tangy in taste, but mighty in impact. Why? Because it's packed with high-quality protein, the kind your body can absorb quickly to rebuild muscle. And most importantly, it contains leucine, an amino acid that tells your body, hey, it's time to build muscle again. As we get older, we actually eat more leucine than before, just to get the same muscle-building effect we had in our 30s and 40s. But that's not all. Yogurt also feeds the good bacteria in your gut. Oh, your guy's healthy. Your body absorbs more calcium, magnesium, and protein, which your muscles desperately need. A study from the University of Copenhagen found that older adults with a balanced gut microbiome are 30% more efficient muscle than those with poor gut health. So yes, the yogurt you eat for breakfast might just be one of the best pearls to protect your strength. Drally nubel in the moon one night, if the hang liver you feared, think leucine, or a few drops of lemon juice. It's inexpensive, easy to find, and delivers a direct dose of muscle support with every spoonful. And we're just getting started. The next food is a perfect mix of plant protein, fiber, and natural energy. Ideal for tired muscles, gentle push to bounce back. Number 5. Cooked oats with juices. Now tell me, do you ever wake up and feel like your arms are heavy? Your legs don't respond like they used to? If you tired for the legumes? That's not just age. Often it comes from what you choose to eat in the morning. And one of the best combinations I recommend to my patients is warm oatmeal with a spoonful of chia seeds. Why? Because when oats are cooked properly, they turn into a soft, easy to digest food that gives you steady energy all morning long. And stay energy is key to protecting muscle. Thought it, the body thoughts burning muscle for fuel, and that speeds at sarcopenia. Too many older adults eat white bread, sugary coffee, sweet cookies for breakfast, and they don't realize those foods like blood sugar and leave their body drained, leaving their muscles completely unprotected. But oats contain something called beta-glucans, a natural fiber that helps balance blood sugar and keeps insulin levels steady, and creates the perfect environment for your body to use dietary protein to rebuild muscle instead of wasting. Now, when you add chia seeds to your oatmeal, you supercharge the effect. Chia seeds provide plant-based omega-3s, calcium, iron, and complete protein. Plus, they form a natural gel in your digestive tract, which helps absorb all the good stuff in the oats more efficiently. A review published in Nutrition Research Reviews showed that combining beta-glucans with omega-3 sources significantly improves muscle endurance and lowers inflammation in people over 60. And recipe? It's so simple. Just cook 3 tablespoons of oats in water or plant-based milk. Then stir in 1 tablespoon of soaked chia seeds at the end. It's a warm, nourishing breakfast. Quick, affordable, and full of life. And if you're not hungry in the morning, you can have it for a light dinner or even a midday snack. And that's just the beginning. In the next video, we'll talk about the next 4 muscle-saving foods you should know, because the right choices, made daily, can absolutely change how your body feels, moves, and ages. Don't let China take what your troops. Let's take it back 1 meal at a time. Number 4. Stewed lentils with turmeric. Now this next food, you probably already have it sitting in your pantry, but chances are, you're not cooking it in a way that unlocks its full potential. I'm talking about lentils, cooked low and slow, and paired with a spice that's been used for centuries, turmeric. Let's break it down. 1 cup of cooked lentils gives you nearly 18 grams of plant-based protein, plus iron, zinc, magnesium, and folate. But the magic really happens when you combine lentils with turmeric. You see, turmeric contains curcumin, a natural compound with powerful anti-inflammatory effects. Now you've been feeling stiff, or your muscles ache more than usual when you move. In many cases, it's not just wear and tear. It's chronic, silent inflammation. And that can slow down muscle recovery and make it harder to rebuild strength. But there's hope. A study from the University of Cambridge found that older adults who included legumes, like lentils, and anti-inflammatory spices, like turmeric, showed significant improvements in muscle mass and function in just 12 weeks. So how should you cook them? Simple. Stew your lentils slowly with garlic, onion, and turmeric. And here's the key. To activate the curcumin in turmeric, add just a pinch of black pepper at the end. This dish is warm, comforting, and surprisingly powerful. It's like natural medicine for your muscle. Worried about constipation? Lentils rich in fiber. Managing high blood pressure? Lentils low in sodium. Both eating the same thing? You can use lentils in soups, stews, even plant-based patties. And best of all, lentils are affordable and easy to find. Number 3. Hemp seeds. Now this next one might surprise you. You may have never tried them, you may not have even heard of them, but hemp seeds are one of the most complete foods in the plant world. They come from the industrial hemp plant, a variety of cannabis sativa used for food, oil, and textiles. Now let me be very clear, hemp seeds do not contain any psychoactive substances. They're legal, safe, and used only for nutrition. These small, pale seeds have a mild flavor and are packed with benefits. First and foremost, they're a source of complete protein, meaning they contain all the essential amino acids your muscles need to rebuild. That's rare in plant foods. Most plant-based sources are missing 1 or more amino acids, but hemp has them all. Just 1 tablespoon a day gives your body a solid foundation for muscle repair without relying on expensive supplements. And there's more. Hemp seeds also rich in omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids, which reduce inflammation and improve circulation, making it easier for nutrients to reach your muscles. Without eating or you're eating wine. Sometimes the problem isn't what to eat. The body can't absorb or coverant into energy. That's where hemp can make a big difference. These seeds also contain magnesium, iron, zinc, and phosphorus, all essential for muscle contraction, balance, and energy production. A study published in Nutrition and Metabolism concluded that older adults who consumed complete plant proteins like those found in hemp maintained better strength and experienced less fatigue. So how do you use them? Use them. You can add hemp seeds to yogurt, bun and smoothies, shrink lemon salad, or brown rice. They're mild in taste, light in digestion, and easy to incorporate. Want a tip? Soak them overnight. They help absorb their nutrients and makes them even more fatty. Why do you find them? They're becoming more widely available in natural food stores, large supermarkets, or even online. And again, all it takes is 1 tablespoon a day to start building a more solid foundation for muscle health. In the next path, we'll reveal the final 2 foods, including one that might already be in your fridge. Another could transform your breakfast forever. These last 2 are simple, but powerful, so stay tuned. And don't forget to subscribe because your muscles and your independence are worth protecting. Number 2. Natural gelatin with collagen and lemon. Nam you thought hemp seeds ran pressit? When to combine the next one. Together, they create Bert's natural muscle shield. Us to a natural gelatin made of collagen powder and fresh lemon juice, none the store-bought kind with sugar and artificial colors. And talking about the real version, unflavored collagen mixed with fresh citrus. Because once you hit your 60s, your body starts making us collagen. Collagen, muscles lose tone, tendons weaken, and joints start to ache. Have verified your legs done how to the same way, the arms feel soft, less defined, much of the ass with collagen mass. The good news, we supply rise collagen production naturally. Natural gelatin provides amino acids like glycine and proline, which your body uses to create new collagen. And when you add lemon juice, you're giving your body vitamin C, which acts like a spark. It helps switch on the collagen-making process. A post in the journal Nutrition find the order out casein adrolite collagen with vitamin C, Zyme prolins and muscetone, Yinfronus, and Jothexin in just 12 weeks. Use the bonus. Gelatin also contains small amounts of protein. Why not complete protein like ham porridge? It does help support muscle recovery, especially night. How do you? Just dissolve 1 tablespoon unflared collagen in half a cup of water. Add the juice of half a lemon, then top half of cold water until it's a full cup. Let cool and refrigerate into fats. More protein powder. You can make natural protein, honed pure gelatin like grenadine and citrus juice. Even though smut is rich in collagen, it's still a great way to support your body. You can draw it snack as dessert after lunch or for bed. It's gentle on the stomach and support over muscle repair. And es works. Go muscles and it is you. Your spond. You when walk and it's done when lift. And it brings back a sense of control and vitality. But we're not done yet. There's still one food left. And it's the most powerful of them all.